I am Aditya Tripathi of class 11th of DLR Public School, and today I am going to share a little about my project AutoNav. AutoNav is a Bluetooth enabled obstacle avoidance car, a car that you can easily control through your mobile or your Android device, and it will be controlled through Bluetooth, and it has automatic obstacle avoidance so that if anything comes in its way, it can automatically deflect and move to a new safer path. So now I am going to share a little about how I made the project and what are the components being used. So the first of all, the most important, the chassis that holds everything together. The chassis is the component that is holding everything together, along with a couple of wheels that are hooked to the gear motors and a uniball that allows for a free movement and a two-wheel drive robot. That is especially useful when you don't have a lot of power and but still want the same speed that you would get from a four-wheel drive. So now coming over to the most important part of the project, the main brain of the project. It is the Arduino Uno that is running the code that has been written in C++ and is running the main car. It is hooked with a Bluetooth sensor, a Bluetooth module, so that the person would be able to control the car anywhere just through their phone or their mobile device. It is hooked with a L298N motor driver that is running the two gear hobby motors which has the wheels, so it is facilitating the two-wheel drive function of the robot. They are all connected to the LiPo battery and 4 rechargeable cells. The LiPo battery is useful when you have to run two big motors for a long time. So we are using a lithium polymer battery, and for the Arduino that requires a little less power, we are using 4 rechargeable 1.4 volt cells. And the most important is the ultrasonic sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor is on a servo motor that is connected so that whenever the ultrasonic sensor detects anything in a range between 0 to 15 centimeter, it will automatically detect that, oh okay, something is in my path and I need to move away. So but if the ultrasonic sensor was fixed in one position, it wouldn't know where is the safe path. So we have made it over a servo motor so that whenever it detects that there is something in my way, it would automatically move over like we move our heads. So it would move over and find for a new path, and wherever there is no obstacle being detected under 15 to 20 centimeters, the car would automatically move to that path and continue, so that it facilitates a little autonomous vehicle mode, something that I like to call it as a Tesla, something that Tesla has, but not exactly. So this was our project AutoNav. Thank you. My feedback about Aerobay is extremely positive, especially because of the immense helpfulness they provided in the completion of this project. We received a lot of help from the coding part because of the Aerobay sir, who especially came to the lab to help me complete this project in the coding part, because I am not really experienced in C++ a lot, but he was, and he explained me a lot about how things are working and also provided me a sample code and helped me code the whole project up. Also, a lot of the components were supplied by Aerobay. So because of this, I am extremely helpful for the whole Aerobay team who helped me complete this project. And in the future, I am looking forward to making more of new projects just like this.